Does my name start with letter S?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I Viola?
Yes.
It's like some man or girl who helps you in your
Servant.
past. Yeah.
Can I have one more snack? He loves you.
What?
He lives with you. He's engaged to you.
Well, not just engaged. He is.
Married to you.
He's married.
Yes. Confused.
Next one.
Shipwreck.
Yeah.
Bro.
If you are
What?
You don't want that offer.
Reject.
No, close.
Refuse.
Yes.
Find.
Oh no, my brother, where is he? Did he drown?
calm down, lady. I saw him swimming in the waves.
Yes, but what will I do? I have no money, no family. What even is this place?
This is Illyria. There's a countess called Olivia and Duke
A countess, Olivia. Can you take me to her?
I cannot, since her brother dead, she doesn't want to see anyone.
I have an idea. Can I have your hat and coat?
Lady Viola, what are you doing?
Don't call me Viola. My name is Cesario.
Another day, another terrible day, because Olivia refuses to see me.
My lord, you barely know her. Why are you so in love with her?
Why is the sky blue? Why do birds sing?
And we're such a drama queen.
Hello. Are you Duke Orsino? My name is Cesario and I'm looking for a job.
We don't need any help, thank you. It looks terrible. We don't need a man like that.
I'm sorry for my appearance. I was in the shipwreck, and if you give me a chance, you will see that I'm clever, I'm hardworking, I'm educated, and I can write beautiful letters and poetry.
Sorry, but the position of Duke is already filled.
Wait a minute. He is young and handsome. Olivia won't refuse a man who talks and looks beautiful. You're young and handsome. You can help me to win Olivia over. You said poetry?
Sure, just tell me more about the lady.
I guess I have to clean the staples again.
Much better, but I'm still sad of losing my sister. Thank you, Antonio.
I'm not very helpful. I love helping people. You can stay here as long as you like.
Thank you, friend, but I have to find a job. You said Duke Orsino is the richest in this town.
Yes, he's like Captain's room in the castle.
You can come with me to say I'm honest and a good man.
Sorry, but I can't do that kind of service.
But why?
Technically, this place isn't from my money.
You stole money from Duke Orsino.
Yes, I would love to give his money back, but he would put me in jail.
Okay, friend, I don't want to put you in danger. Goodbye.
And before you leave, here's some money for the first day, before you find a job.
People want you're a good man.
Sir Andrew is looking for you everywhere.
I don't want to find that fool. I have more important things to do.
What's happening here?
Cesario stole your Olivia's car.
Is it true?
Well, she loves me, but I don't love her.
You know, I don't care anymore. I never told to Olivia. I have a lot of more fun with you, Cesario.
Cesario! My husband!
But, my lady, what are you talking about?
We got married an hour ago. Did you forget her already?
There she is. My sister.
My brother, I thought you drowned.
I thought you drowned.
Yeah. I'm sorry, young man. This is not your sister. It's my servant, Cesario.
Well, actually, my name is Viola, and I am his sister.
Is it possible that most kindest person in my life is a woman?
Oh, don't be surprised, Duke. Everyone, let's celebrate. Sir Andrew is happy to bake.